Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear, rebel, 306, J.A. man, Trini boss, garage boss, and Wales, all of the people living in the Caribbean, Trinidad, Belize, Guyana, St. Vincent, St. Martin, Cayman Islands, Barbados, big up on myself. Look at the screen in front of you. Now, Vybz Kartel, attorney, is taking this salt young man down a rabbit hole. For real. He is not going to win no case and no new evidence. It's a big lie. It's a big lie. My affy boy, but I lie. My affy boy. Now, I already did a video explaining how it's next to impossible and thousands, if not millions of dollars US to hack into WhatsApp or a BlackBerry, and then you have to use audio editing software along with voice synthesizer, and you have to pretty much invent. So you'd have to write the code. You understand? And that's next to impossible. I mean, if you're some super hacker who have all the time to waste and on a 87 like Saltel, I mean, yeah. But it is just so sad, and it shows the desperation that not even so much Kartel as the damn lawyer. Because this is not a constitutional case at all, and I said that over and over. We're going to move on with this equation, and I am going to explain, for the love of Christ, again, why he is not getting out of jail. Now, look at the screen in front of you. It's an external investigator. I confirm some new evidence and then give an interview to New York Fox File. Now, the attorney, Buchanan, them saying go as far as say that there is no doubt that the evidence was tampered with. I don't know how does he come up with this. Him say with this new evidence, him not really say nothing, you know. Him say Buchanan went as far as to say that there was no longer any doubt that some of the most important evidence used to convict Vybz Kartel was falsified. And that was a bold statement. Now, like I said, in this case, you had the witness. You had witnesses. You understand? Not only that, you had the voice note. Now, for somebody to tamper with a WhatsApp voice note or a BlackBerry voice note, they would have to use a certain kind of hacking software change the information, download the file, do whatever they're doing with it, use a hacking software with them invent or create just for this, upload back the file and put it back underneath Vybz Kartel name. I mean, that shit is crazy. That shit is crazy. And it's unfair for the youth a cartel salted him liar I do this to him, dog. Cause him now go win this on a constitutional. You understand? No. There is circumstantial evidence. It's a circumstance. Them still not find you, them body or whatnot. But the other evidence in the case, the voice note, them just fixated on the other people that will testify against him. Then, not only that, you have the Klansman witness came out. But his lawyer is fixated on constitutional with a BlackBerry phone. And that's so fucked up. A liar. If I did my lie, I would have fired him, dog. When you are dealing with court cases that falls underneath a constitutional realm, it more have to do with arrest, if them have the right warrant, if your rights were violated. You understand? Not if some rogue officer take home the BlackBerry by accident or whatever. No. I don't know who was his trial lawyer, cartel trial lawyer, but I think one of them big boy. But anyways, what they should have done is fight to get them thing there not admitted. So keep them evidence there out of court. And I guess they probably did, but they should have really go hard on it. You understand? Them should have go hard upon the voice note. Because those voice notes, there is no way they're tampered with. Like I said, if somebody's gonna tamper with that, they're gonna have to invent a hacking software, download it, go into the BlackBerry, hack into the BlackBerry via computer cables, whatnot, right cable software, mess with the audio through audio editing software or whatnot, or voice changer or whatever the hell, re-upload it to the BlackBerry Vybz Kartel. So they would have to have his login information, everything, anyways, and use the hacking software, which they would have to write or invent, which I don't know of one that's out there, and put back the information as it was. No. Explain that. So all they're doing is wasting his money. Let's move on. So here where Isaac Buchanan said, him said when there's a gap in footprint. Now you hear them kind of crazy damn terminology that they might use. They might try to use some big terminology. Him said when there's a gap in the footprint, for instance, the video did not have a GPS on it. No, when you're videotaping a video or whatever, it's up to you to add the GPS and turn on the GPS on your phone. It is not automatically turned on unless you want your phone to turn on. That way you control your privacy. What is Isaac Buchanan saying? It doesn't make sense. He's stealing this man's money. And he's talking about metadata and time sequence. All that is how the person who's recording or whatnot want to, if they want their privacy out there or not. Me not show my face. Because I don't want people to see my face. You understand? It's the same thing. So it doesn't make sense in me to stop taking that youth your money. Although I don't like Kartel what him do on my program. You understand? He must say according to the evidence, it means that there was tampering or evil misreporting of timestamp. He doesn't even know what the hell he's talking about. Like I said, when anybody take out their phone to do anything, banking, anything, certain website, Amazon, your bank, whatever, prompt you to turn on your location. And it depends on how high the security is. If you're taking a video, you can add your location or you don't. If you upload a video upon YouTube, Facebook anyway. So it's really sad that brother is going to court a fight for Vybz Kartel with this kind of fucking evidence. That shit is ridiculous, yo. He's not coming out. Plus, that other thing with the police them sit down and wait for him for. With the clansman. No, you must say the digital expert confirmed what is widely reported in the media, that the phone was used to make calls after being seized, and that the Jamaica authority breached the protocol. That's really the only thing that they have right here, a breach of standard law enforcement protocol. But the trial judge didn't see it that serious, so he, as a serious breach where the evidence was taken off and altered, so he or her, the judge, allowed the evidence in the case. So all this stuff he's talking is bullshit. It says Buchanan further said there's no explanation was given regarding the phone where it was stored. So all that right there is just protocol. You understand? And it is not a constitutional rights violation. Vybz Kartel, you're gonna stay in prison for the rest of your life, bro. Sorry to tell you that. You know, come on. You understand? Because you liar railroad you. I hope when you get this, you listen to this and listen to what Countryman is saying. If he's gonna do a constitutional, it should be on how you were treated if them really write certain things. Not like this. Yo, my name is Countryman. Drop some comment and let me know what you think about this. Cause me know say me right on that one ya. You understand? Very rare. And the Privy Council are more than one judges. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. But me know say that boy and I come out of prison. Let me know what you think about this. My name is Countryman. I'm out. And guess what? Me I go boo that one ya. For real.